Hi everyone, this is Sharbam Rai from Designy, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to use the weight loss planner and tracker step by step. This planner is not just a simple weight tracker, it is a hybrid system designed to help you track your weight loss journey both offline and online without the stress of entering data into the spreadsheet every single day. The goal of this planner is to make weight tracking simple, organized and sustainable so that you can focus on your progress instead of worrying about the complicated tracking system. So now let's understand the hybrid system. This planner works using two systems. Firstly, the offline tracking, which is also called the printable sheet, and the online tracking, which is also called the smart spreadsheet. During the week, you will track your daily activities offline using the printable sheet. These sheets are designed to be printed on A4 size paper, and they allow you to record all your daily information such as workout, meal, habits, body measurement, weight, calories intake. Then at the end of the week, you simply enter the summarized data into the online spreadsheet. Once you enter your data in this spreadsheet, you will be able to see analytics and visual progress that shows how your weight loss journey is progressing. This system removes the headache of having you to open your spreadsheet every day while still giving you the powerful insight into your progress. What you will receive after purchase. When you purchase the planner, you will receive two PDF files. The first PDF file contains the link to access the Google Sheet weight loss tracker. The second PDF file contains the printable planner pages that you will be using during the week. So one PDF is for accessing the spreadsheet and the another PDF contains the daily printable tracking sheet. At purchase, we have said you'll receive the two files. Firstly is the printable planner sheet and the secondly is the PDF file with the Google Sheet link. And if you have not purchased it, just go to the description of this video. When you go to the description of video, you'll find the Etsy link over there. Just click on the Etsy link, then this will take you to the Etsy store, and once you are in the Etsy store, you can see the weight loss planner spreadsheet. Now just click on add to basket. Once you click on add to basket, you can just click on the basket icon or just click on the basket. So when you click on the basket gets opened, and now click on proceed to checkout. If you are not signed in, just continue as a guest, or if you want to sign in, just click on the sign in and register method. So once you have signed in, just complete the payment process, and when you complete the payment process and when you finally complete the payment process, just click on your account and click on purchase and review. So it may take some time for it to load. After you click on it, you'll find a purchase section. Just go to the specific weight loss planner sheet that you have purchased from us, and on the right side click on download file. Once you download it, you can go to your file manager. Now when you are in the file manager, just click on downloads, just choose the specific file that you have downloaded. You'll get the two files, PDF file. Just open this file which has a thank you note, and over here you'll see the start copy now button. Just click on start copy now. This will take you to the weight loss tracker sheet. Once you are there, please wait for it to load. Now once it gets loaded, just if you are not signed in, just click on sign in and just complete the sign in process. And once you are signed in, just go to your top left and you can see the icon file. Just click on files. Now click on make a copy. Now give your file a name and just click on make a copy. And this will take some time, and once it gets loaded, your spreadsheet is ready to use. Now let us take a look at the printable sheet that you will be using during the week. These sheets are designed to help you track your progress daily for each week. The first sheet is the weekly workout schedule. Here you can plan your workout for the week. At the top of the sheet, you can enter the week, month and year. Then below it, inside the table, you will see the columns for day, workout name, target duration, completed durations and the calories burned, so you can enter the informations accordingly. This sheet works as both a planner and a tracker. You can first plan your workout schedule and later record how much time you actually completed and how many calories were burned. Secondly, the weekly meal planner. This sheet helps you plan your meal for the week. At the top, you can again enter the week, month and year. Then you can see the table where row represents the day of the week. Column represents the breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks. Using this planner, you can prepare your meal in advance and make healthier food decisions throughout the week. Thirdly, we have daily meal log. The daily meal log helps you record what you actually ate during the week. For each day, you can write the food names and below it, you can write the total calories taken for the specific day. In the end of the sheet, you can also take note for the specific week. This makes it easier to monitor your calories intake throughout the week. Fourthly, we have the daily routine page. This is an additional sheet designed to help you stay mentally focused and motivated. Here you will write what you are thankful for today, you are focused for today, your goals and achievements, what you are still working on, your mood for the day, daily rating, your intentions for tomorrow. Weight loss is not just physical, it's also mental. This page helps you stay motivated and consistent. Fifthly is the habit tracker. The habit tracker helps you monitor daily habits that support your weight loss goal. At the top, you can enter the week, year and select the specific month. Then you can list your habit as habit 1, habit 2, habit 3. Just add the number in the side of the habit and below it just write the specific habit and you can just mention why it is important. You can just track which is specific with respect to the date and each day you can simply tick the mark in the box for the habit you have completed. In the done, you can see the 2 dashes where you can just give the score on the basis of for how many days, how many times you have completed this specific habit with respect to it. This helps you see how consistent you are throughout the week. Now nextly is the weight log tracker. Whenever you measure your weight during the week, you can record it here. You can write the weight just below the specific name of the day. You can also add the gain or loss to indicate whether your weight increased or decreased compared to the previous measurement. In the end of the left side, you can write the week, month and year to specify which week, month and year that weight is for. And lastly, we have is the measurement tracker, that is body measurement. The final printable sheet is the body measurement tracker. This sheet allows you to track measurements such as chest, arms, wrist, hips and thighs. Tracking body measurement is very important because sometimes fat loss and muscles gain can happen at the same time. In that situations, your weight might not change dramatically, but your body measurement will show real progress. So this sheet helps you track your transformation beyond just the scale. Now let's talk about using this spreadsheet. After tracking your daily informations for the week using the printable sheet, you can enter the summary data into the Google Sheet Tracker. This spreadsheet contains 7 main sheets. The first sheet is called the Start Here sheet. This is where your journey begins. Here you will enter your basic informations like name, age, select a specific gender, select the unit system, starting height and starting weight. Also select the activity level. Once you enter this information, the sheet automatically calculates the starting BMI category, starting BMR, daily maintenance calorie needed. You will also see a visual BMI meter. Below this section, you will enter your weight loss goal, including start date, goal weight, weekly loss target. Once you enter this information, this spreadsheet automatically calculates goal BMI, weight to lose, estimated goal date. Below it, you can also set the milestone and reward. You can just write the milestone like lose 2 kg. You'll buy something small, lose 5 kg. You can buy a new clothes, and once you receive the gift, you can just mark it got. Next is the weight tracker sheet. Here you enter your weekly informations. In this sheet, you can firstly see customize messages. You can see with your name, hello Sharbam, week by week progress, build lasting results, consistently build perfections, keep showing up every week. And below it, you can see the auto show calculations of current weight, total weight loss, average weekly loss, and week complete. And you can also see weight chart as well. And below it we have a table for entering the weight in the weekly basis, where you just need to enter the week, enter the specific date when it started, enter the specific date when it ended, and write the start weight and write the end weight. And you can see the change automatically, and unit will also be automatically selected based on your selections in the setup set. And if you come a little bit down on the right hand side, you can see the BMI progress, where you just need to enter the week and the height. And in the similar fashions, the unit will be automatically entered based on your selections. Now nextly is the workout tracker. The workout tracker helps you record your weekly workout summary. Here too you can see a custom message with your name, and below it you can see the weekly workout summary as well, like total workout weeks, total duration, total calories burned, average workout time, and average consistency. On the right side you can see the chart of calories burned with respect to the weeks. And if you come below, you can see the table where you can see the weekly workout entry, where you can just enter the week, number of days, workout days in the week, and durations, distance, calories burned, and intensity. And you can also keep the note. On your right you can enter the workout consistency tracker, like for the specific week, how many days had you targeted for it. So once you enter the target days, you can also see the completion percentage. Next we have is the body measurement sheet. In this sheet you enter your weekly measurement. As you can see here too, you will just get a custom message with your name, and below it you need to enter the measurement unit. And this measurement unit only works for the body measurement tracker only. So below it you can see the table where you can see the measurement with measurement start and current, and the chest change, wrist change, hip change, arm change, and thigh change. You can see what was the starting unit and what's the current unit. You can just see that. On the right you can see the body progress chart as well. Below it you can find the measurement entry table, where you just enter the week, a date, measurement of the chest, measurement of the wrist, measurement of hip, measurement of the arm with measurement of the thigh, and you can also keep the note. Now next we have is the habit tracker. In the habit tracker as well, you can see the custom message over here, and on the right you can see the chart where you will see overall habit percentage with respect to the weeks, like week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, as W1, W2, W3, W4 respectively, and the overall percentage that how consistent you were with overall habits for the specific week. You can just see that. Here the calculations of the week is based on the 1 to 7, that is like for how many days did you finally did that specific habit. Like let's say we have drink water 4 times a day for 7 days. Okay, you just completed for the 4 days and it was for 7 days, then you can just keep 4. So it's more likely the highest score is 7 and the lowest score is 1. You just need to calculate in that basis only. So here in below you can just get a table where you can enter the week habits, weekly habits. You just enter the week habits name, and based on it you can just give with respective weeks, you can just give for how many days did you did that specific habit. And lastly we have is the calorie tracker. Here too you'll get a custom message with your name, and below it you'll find the table like daily maintenance calorie, weekly maintenance, average daily calorie consumed, actual average weekly intake, average daily calorie burned, average calorie burned weekly calories defeated, estimated average fat loss. And in the middle you can also see the average daily calorie consumed and average daily calorie burned in the green and red. So below it you can see the chart for calorie trend chart, where what's the intake and what was the burn. You can see that. And below it we have the weekly calorie entry table, where you can just enter the week, start date, end date, calorie consumed, and rest, calorie burned, net calories, and daily average consumed will be auto calculated. And lastly we have is the dashboard. Finally everything comes together in progress dashboard. In this dashboard you can see the current weight, where with the blue you can see the goal weight, and with the red is the remaining weight. So the blue and red combined gives you the current weight, and the red is the weight that you need to lose, and blue is the weight that you are targeting for. And on the left you can see the custom message with the same hello respective users, and below it you can see the current weight, goal weight, remaining weight, and current BMI and current BMI status as well. And below it you can also see the BMI visual meter as well, and below BMI meter you can see the progress overall cut, like weight loss. So here, if the value is in negative, it means increase in the weight, and if it is positive, it means decrease in the weight. So weight loss is in here as in negative, means increase in the weight, and below it we have is the lost BMI as well. It's in negative, means increase in the BMI, and goal completion is presently 0% since there is increase in the weight. So in the right of it, you can see the weight progress chart as well, which also shows the definite increase in the weight. So below it we have is a workout progress, which shows the total workout week, total durations, total calorie burn, average workout time, and average consistency. On the right, you just get a chart which will show the calories burned with the respective weeks. For the first week, it's 251, and for the second week, it's 200 burn. Okay, so you can just see in that manner. And now for the habit consistency, you can see the overall habit percentage over here, like with respect to the each week, what was your habit overall consistency. You can just see that. And below it we have is the measurement change summary, where you can see the specific measurement like chest change, wrist change, hip change, arm change, thigh change, start, and current. Okay, you can on the right you can also see with respect to the chart whether it was increasing or decreasing. It's increasing or decreasing, you can just see that. And lastly we have is the calorie deficit calculations, where you can see the daily maintenance calorie, weekly maintenance average, daily calorie consumed, average weekly calorie intake, and all weekly calorie deficit, estimated fat loss. You can see that. In the right you can see the chart where you can see the intake and burn respectively. So the workflow is simple. Firstly, print the planner sheet, track your daily activity during the week, enter weekly data in the spreadsheet, review your progress in the dashboard, repeat the progress each week, continue this progress until you reach the goal weight. Weight loss is a journey that requires consistency, patience, and discipline. By using this planner regularly, you will be able to track your habit, monitor your calorie balance, measure body change, stay accountable. Over time, these small daily actions will lead you closer to your target weight and healthier lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you would like to start using the weight loss planner and tracker, you can find the product link in the video descriptions below. Simply click the link, purchase the planner, download the planner, set up your tracker, and begin the weight loss journey today. I hope this planner helps you stay organized, motivated, and consistent, and you work towards your goal. Thank you again for watching, and I wish you the very best on your transformation journey. Thank you very much for watching.